What's up, people? Welcome back to another episode of Nanda Review Channel. And today, I will be reacting to no other than Alkaline. He's You. It's been a song that's been released over a year now, but I felt like I just need to react to that song, so you all could really know and truly understand how big and deep of a song this song is. So, without further ado, let's just get right into the reaction, and you know how it goes. Mad settings. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. First things first, the harmony, bro. The harmony is so crazy. The harmony for this song, I don't know if you guys understand, bro, but the harmony for this song is bizarre crazy, bro. And the voice, the lady voice in the background, it tweaks a little bit, and it gives the song that euphoria and that boost. You know what I'm saying? Pull that up, pull that up, pull that up. Let's go again, bro. Shit. Alright, let's go. Can't make too much noise, you know? Is you. The voice, bro, the way the man approaches the vocals and the rhythm itself in the booth, it is like, what I would say, I don't know, where does he go to learn how to sing music like this? Did he go to a music school or an art school to learn how to project his voice and to sing with the vocals in a way where it comes off naturally, in a sense where you could say, yo, he's gifted, literally gifted. The way how he approaches the first part of the song, saying, "Is you, and you can hear how he projects his voice in the background. You can hear like he's spitting from his heart. He's just clear. You know how people just do music just because they want to do music, but the way how he does music is like he loves the music, and he's infatuated with the melodies and the harmony and all the natural elements that comes together with music. That's just one thing about this guy, why I tend to listen to him on a daily basis now and then, but it's just crazy. Is you. Wait for it. Listen. Wait for it. Doing the thing, can you stop that beat? Oh shit, that's crazy. Doing the thing, can you never stop that beat? And the throne we know, and the love so sweet, baby, I can see it. Oh, shit. Baby, I can see it. Catch me, just. Listen, just. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? This is real music. This is what you call real composed music. Every element is connected. Everything is connected by one person. Shit. Let's go. Shit. Hey girl. Love with or without. One give you the world, hey girl. The amount of times he says, hey girl. One give you the world, hey girl. That is crazy, you see? And you would think it's so repetitive that it gets annoying, but it doesn't get annoying. It just connects, and it just matches with everything, the rhythm, everything. It just connects. Shit, pull that song up, bro. Let's go again. Shit. Listen. Wow. Listen to this song with an headphone. I'm hearing every key element, every It just mesmerizes your ears to hear the harmony and the person in the back. Shit's crazy. Let's go. And it's like flowing. Man is just flowing with the vocals. Is you, is you, is you, is you, is you, is you. This song is for the ladies, but the gallis them, the mans them out there that are gallis, I know you know. This song is a bomb. Boom. Hey, do another thing, bro. Can't even stop that beat. And true when you're two, you know, so love so sweet, baby, I can see it. Catch me in dress, catch me in dress, catch me in dress. Boom. Hey girl, love without. One give you the one girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Fuck, bro. Yeah. You would imagine, bro, how could someone come up with an idea of this? How could an artist come up with an idea like this to put in a song? The way the song is so short of lyrics, but it's so composed and it's so connected. It is so in tune with the present moment. It is beyond this era as well. The lyrics and the melody and the harmony, futuristic. That's all I could say. Futuristic. You've never heard it before. And to hear it like this in this time that we in, it feels like the future is already here, bro. With vocals and melodies like this. True artist, bro. Yeah. Yeah. No lie, bro. This song should have had a video. It should have had a music video. I'm just so mad that he didn't get a video for this song, but not every song's gonna get a video. And with an artist like Alkaline, he wants you to listen to music for the music itself. He doesn't want you to see him in a visual, because you're gonna be more in tune with the visuals and whatever is showcasing in the visual. But listening to the melodies and the flow and the lyrics and everything that connects, it's like you're already imagining it. You're mesmerized by it. You're imagining it, and like you're seeing it played out already. So it's like you don't even need a visual. You're just listening. Music is for the ears, not for the eyes. Music is for the ears. You get it? Not for the eyes. So we're seeing every visual out there and people doing videos and everything. We understand that. It's another aspect. It's another step to push a song. But when you have a song like doesn't need music video, you got to know that song really is impactful and big in a sense. Boom. 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 Listen. Me nah go, baby, tell me nah go. He says, me nah go, tell me stay, baby, nah go quit. He says, me nah go, tell me stay, baby, nah go quit. Me feel yummy, me feel yummy, me feel yummy. Something. The way how he repeats most of the lyrics and lets it sit on the song, you would feel like it's a basic song, but it is not. The song is crazy and out of this world, bro. Make me know, baby girl, I'm a yummy. Hey. Me feel yummy, me feel yummy, me feel yummy. Something. Hey girl, love without. One give you the one girl, hey girl. Yo, this song gotta pull up, bro. One thing, bro, this song already got me into a trance, bro. It's like you're into a trance. You're just lost in time listening to a song like this. The vocals, bro. One thing I can't get over is this part of the song. This part of the song, I can never get over it. Listen, this part. That's the part, bro. That's the part I can't get over. The way that sounds, it's just crazy. Have you ever been lost into music? Not literally lost, but have you ever felt like you're listening to a song so much you feel like you're in a different dimension, a different realm, just different, bro. You're just lost in time, lost in the vibration, the frequency, the melodies, the harmony. You're just lost, bro. Let's go. Is you. And it is so soothing. Nothing to jerk, nothing to offbeat, nothing to get you irritated or annoyed. It's just soothing on a frequency vibration, just flowing, you know, like waves, bro. Is you. Doing them thing wrong, can't even stop that beat. And she really told me no, so love so sweet, baby, I can see. Catch me in dress, catch me in dress, catch me in dress. And he goes high. Hey girl, love without. One the other, one girl, hey girl. Bro. Shit is crazy. I love music to an whole different level. I don't know about you, but I know about me. I love music. Music for me from morning to night, 24/7, bro. So when I say I love music, I know it and I love it at the same time. So I knows when artists are very, very key elements to music whenever they're singing. It's like their cadence and flows and harmony is just one person doing it. When you have one person doing all the above in their own records, you gotta commend them for that, bro. Somebody is keeping their cadence balance, their melody balance, their flow balance. Is a monster, bro. Catch me, is you. You heard the voice in the background? And I don't want to me not go, baby, me not go quit. Make me know how you deal with me. The way how he said that, bro. Make me know, baby girl, how you deal with. It's just not normal, bro. It's not just normal, bro. Make me know, baby girl, how you deal with. It sounds fully Englished, but it's not. It's patois. It's natural patois. Make me know, baby girl, how you deal with. But he flows it in a term, in a way that makes it sound in English, like very much standard. And it is not, bro. If you truly listen to this song for it, bro, you would know. Go back to it and check it out. Something, love without. One the other, one girl. Yeah. Man's is cooking, bro. He's cooking in that kitchen, fam. Is you. Repeating. This is how you make an hit song. The more the chorus is repetitive in a song, the more the mass takes on to it. The more the fans grab and love it for the song it is. The chorus is so much repetitive. It's not even annoying. It's repeating most of the times. And it's like, when you're not listening to the song, all you can think of or all you can say in your head is like, is you. The only thing in your head is you. I don't understand how a song like this couldn't. I'm not gonna say our song like this couldn't get the amount of views, but it is climbing naturally, no lie. But it's had almost like 6 million views now. It's a hit song, bro. This is the part that gets to me, bro. I don't even know what the person is saying behind it, but it is crazy and it is phenomenal. Now, that's the end of the reaction to Alkaline Is You. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. And remember, make sure y'all like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can always get updated with all the latest updates, all the latest reactions or whatever I might do. This is a channel of variations, different things, so stay tuned. Whatever you like, you're always going to have something to like on this channel, because that's what we're here for. Remember, peace, safe travel, and don't forget to hit like button because it helps.